A Pillar 2 tool can calculate. It cannot clean up a broken process. That is easy to forget during a product demo. The consultant shows an end-to-end flow. Data comes in. The workflow moves forward. Review steps are marked complete. The calculation runs. The dashboard lights up. Charts by jurisdiction. Risk indicators. Status tracking. Exception reports. For a few minutes, it feels like the process has already been solved. Then implementation starts. The tool asks for real inputs, entity data, covered taxes, safe harbor inputs, local adjustments, currency rules, ownership percentages. And the room gets quiet because the demo showed what a finished process could look like. It did not prove the organization had one. The tool does not decide who owns a source number. It does not explain why a local adjustment was made after close. It does not know whether a mapping is still valid. It does not approve an override. It can only process what the process gives it. And those beautiful dashboards, most of them are never used properly if nobody trusts the data underneath. If the handoff is unclear, the tool receives unclear data. If the definition is missing, the tool receives a label without meaning. If the review step is informal, the tool receives confidence nobody can support later. Before configuring the calculation, define the operating process. For each critical input, decide where it comes from, who owns it, what changes it, who reviews it, what evidence supports it, and what happens when it fails a check. A good Pillar 2 tool can speed up a working process, but it cannot replace ownership, definitions, or review discipline. Use the tool to run the process. Do not expect the tool to invent one.